Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Darkosaurus Cards here today with a bunch of Pokemon. I was at a recent toy and comic show and there were some Pokemon vendors there. So I decided to check around and they had some loose packs. Well, these came out of a fresh booster box. I'm not sure how many people picked through it earlier before I got there, because the show started at 10 a.m. and it ends at 4 p.m. I got there around 1 o'clock in the afternoon there, so there was still it looked like a fresh booster box, so I picked 5 out of there because he had a good deal, and he also had a really sweet deal for battle styles, and another vendor just had some sleeve boosters. I decided to swoop these up just for some sweet content here, and of course we're still chasing that Machamp V alt art, so hopefully we'll be able to pull that here today. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the sleeved blisters, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So I finished ripping these sleeve blisters out, and I got the packs in their order. So this is the 2 sleeve blisters of the Evolving Skies and Astral Radiance, and then I got the loose packs of Astral Radiance and Battle Styles here. So let's go Alta Art chasing. First off, let's start with Battle Styles. Haven't ripped Battle Styles in a minute, so I mean, it's not everybody's favorite set, but I did start ripping Pokemon with Battle Styles, and Battle Styles, Chilling Rain, some Evolving Skies, nothing too crazy. We got an Aegis Lash and a non-holo Phalanx that came out of that green code card. I'm pretty sure these code cards do matter because it's an older set. Green again. I guess I didn't pick the right packs. Alright, here we go. Reverse Holo Conkeldurr and a non-holo Lurantis. Looks pretty cool. I haven't seen these before. Like I said, didn't really rip too much into Battle Styles, but yeah, these Pokemon look pretty sweet. The artwork anyway. Alright, pack number 3. Let's see if we can get a white and green code card. Nope, we got a green. There we go. Code for y'all. Bellsprout Reverse Holo and a Bolton non-holo rare. Fourth pack. Can I at least grab one white and green code card? Man, the power was not with me that day with these packs here. Alright, here we go. A Centiskorch Reverse Holo and a Aegis Lash non-holo rare. We did get the reverse holo earlier. Alright, here we go. Last pack of the Battle Styles. Can we get a white and green? And no, we got just green. Dang. I went 0 for 5 on this one. Alright. Reverse holo Luxio and a non-holo Mineshaw. Pretty cool. Okay, on to the loose packs of Astral Radiance. Let's go. I hope I can get that Machamp alt art. Not with this one though. Let's do 5. And then the next one would be the trainer gallery, if there is a trainer gallery. And oh no, wait. Did I do that? Oops. Well, there we go. Magnemite Reverse Holo. Nope. And a Nickit. Wait. What did I do? Oh. I messed up. It was the Cleaver that was the rare. Oops. Let's not do that. Let's just do it the normal way here. Another white code card. Wow. I was horrible at picking these packs. Okay, here we go. Reverse Hollow Super Effective Glasses and a non-hollow Hisuian Avalugg. Pack number 3 from that booster box. Another white. White. Well, the seller did say it was a fresh booster box, but I guess we can just say anything we want. Here we go. Pack number 4. Am I going 0 for 10? I don't know. I'm already 0 for 8 and 0 for 9 with this one. Reverse Hollow Togekiss and a Hisuian Arcanine non-hollow rare. Is this gonna be 0 for 10? Wow, 0 for 10. That was horrible. 0 for 10. Yeesh. Reverse Hollow Sudowoodo, non-hollow Regice. That was a lot of bulk. I cleared the bulk for the people. Okay, let's see. Another white. Wow. 0 for 15? I don't know here. Non-hollow Leafeon. Here goes the next pack. Let's get a black border. Come on. Alright. Black border. We got the black border, meaning we have a chance. We got the Magnezone and a hollow Gallade. Okay. What's going on here, man? Did my luck run out? Did I just have a bad streak? Oh, okay. Black border number 2. Is it turning around? Let's see here. 4, 5, 6. Is my luck turning around? We got a hit. It is a Cleaver V. A hit is still a hit. Maybe it could be heating up. We'll find out. These packs do feel a bit different. That opened real nice. Maybe just they didn't seal it very well. 5, 6. Reverse Hollow Chatot and a non-hollow rare Rapidash. And our last Astral Radiance pack. What are we gonna get? Of course, we were 2 for 15 on the code cards here. Can we get something in the... Nope. Reverse Hollow Magnezone, non-hollow Shaman. It's just one of those nights. Ripping. But hey, can we get something out of Evolving Skies? Maybe that'll turn our luck. Not right now. We got a Reverse Hollow Eevee and a non-hollow Altaria. Next, okay, another green one. Six. Reverse Hollow Zinnia's Resolve and a non-hollow Appleton rare. It only takes one though. It only takes one to turn everything around. Everybody knows this, so here we go. Here's to wish. Hey, there we go. Can't give up yet. We got 3 more packs to go. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. We got a reverse hollow Rufflet, and it is a VMAX. A Gyarados VMAX. Hey, that's a hit. I'll take that. I will take that any day. Are we gonna start looking at better code cards? Let's go. Come on. There we go. That's number 2. Back to back. Back to back hits, yeah. Okay. Here we go. Reverse hollow Sharpedo. Oh, nope, it's just a hollow Raichu. Taking a step back, everybody. It's a hit that we don't want. So, last pack. Let's go ahead and let's just do this. Code card. Slow roll this last pack. Have some fun, huh? Alright. Water Energy. Riolmbi. Avalugg. Ribbon Badge. Glossifleur. Love Disc. We got a Fletchling. Chinchou. Petalil. Reverse Hollow. Slakoth. And it's just a non-hollow Gigalith. That was green. So that was a pretty bummer rip. Then again, you can't win them all, everybody. You win some and you lose some, but I'm not complaining. 2 hits. We got the VMAX, Gyarados VMAX. Looks really nicely centered, so not bad of a hit. And then we got the Cleaver V. Nothing to write home about for this rip, but hey, I mean, you win some and you lose some. You can't win them all. Alright guys, if you're disappointed just like I am, maybe just a horrible luck of selecting packs, let me know down in the comments what's the worst rip of your life. It could be recently, it could be any point in your life. Just let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next rip.